The backyard of Secretariat complex turned into a scrapyard of unused cars is a reflection of collapsed administration. This vehicles gathering dust blocks prime space is a precinct of assembly complex, compelling visitors to park their vehicle outside and walk a long distance, stated Congress social media in charge Divya Kumar. Releasing a video of various vehicles gathering dust in compound of Secretariat complex, Divya Kumar alleged that the BJP government wants to cause inconvenience to public. She further stated that we urge Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant to ensure all these vehicles are removed and spaces created for parking vehicles of those attending upcoming Legislative Assembly session. Government must also act on unused cars parked across Goa, blocking prime parking spots and causing inconvenience to public. People coming to watch assembly proceeding, including journalists, students, senior citizens as well as staff or family, face a lot of inconvenience due to lack of parking space and are forced to park their vehicles at a far away distance and walk a long way. She further stating that Purvaram residents also face inconvenience due to the vehicles parked on the internal roads by those coming to watch assembly. There are frequent traffic jams causing hindrance to emergency services.